Go ahead and get you a pen and paper because today I'm spilling the tea on how to make this sweet potato honey bun cake. Baby, this cake was a 10 out of 10. The first thing you're going to need is a box of yellow cake mix. The next thing you're going to need is 1 cup of sour cream. Now crack 4 eggs and make sure to take that white part out. Once you add your eggs to your bowl, you now want to add 3/4 cups of vegetable oil and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and give everything a good mix. Once everything is well combined, add 1 cup of mashed sweet potato. Now this part is optional. I wanted my sweet potato cake to be more orange, so I added some orange food coloring. About 3 to 4 drops. Now in a separate bowl, you want to add 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I also added some finely grated pecans. To a 9x13 pan, you want to add half your batter, your cinnamon mixture, more batter on top, and then give everything a good swirl. Bake on 350 for 45 minutes, and once it's fresh out the oven fabulous, add that glaze. Baby, when I tell you this was some kind of good, I really like those finely crushed pecans in there. To me, it really complemented the sweet potato, and baby, that glaze on top. This one right here was definitely a 10 out of 10 and definitely spilling the sweet tea approved.